Everybody, just want to give you a quick shout out before classes begin, give you an introduction to myself, tell you about the classes, and tell you why I'm on the mountaintop right now. Anyway, so my name's Mike Schlichting. I'm a PhD student. I've been TAing this class I'm a TA, so just refer to me as Mike. No professor, no doctor, no nothing, just Mike. And but a little bit background about me. Grew up in Chicagoland, been part of the university now for actually 10 years. That's a different story because I came back for my MBA and just kind of stayed working on high-speed transportation, which you'll hear a lot about. So I am working on my PhD. I work with everything from hyperloops to high-speed rail to maglevs to supersonic aircraft. So you can understand why I kind of love this class. So really psyched to know you guys and excited about where the semester is going to go. So now you might be asking yourself, well, what about this class? Why, as an engineer, do I need to take a presentation class? Well, here's the thing. As an engineer, you're already brilliant. This program's really tough, and by making it through the program, you've already proven yourself. But here's the thing. If you can't communicate your brilliance, then how's anyone going to know? So that's why our goal throughout the semester is for you to be comfortable presenting and talking to people. We're going to become very close at this process. So that's why I love this class. And so we'll get to the syllabus is online, but I'll explain a little more on Monday about that. Now, why am I on a mountaintop? Well, as I find out, most engineers love mountains. I don't know what it is, but it always happens. Also dogs. I'll show you my dog. Her name's Cinda. We'll get to know her as well. But specifically here, where I am right now is the Horsetooth Reservoir up above Fort Collins, Colorado. So we're about an hour north of Denver in the foothills of the mountains. And the one thing I love about this is a civil engineering masterpiece. Put together in 1949, they literally filled in this valley to create one of the largest reservoirs in Colorado. That not only provides water for Fort Collins, but all of all the agriculture that happens in eastern Colorado. So let me show you a little bit here. You can see it extends 6.5 miles that way, or 3 miles that way, about 3.5 miles that way, and goes down to about 200 feet deep, including dams that are over 260 feet. So the water level is low right now because they're actually fixing the dam. But what I'd love to point out is this wasn't just one engineer working together. It was a team of engineers, politicians, financiers, city planners that literally put this whole plan together to create this giant reservoir. And that's where your role as an engineer. You design it, you put it together, but you need to be able to communicate it. And that's when great things like this reservoir happens. So I am super excited about the semester. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Until then, enjoy the weekend, and I will see you next week. Take care, y'all.